What's going on, guys? Today we're replacing a radiator on a 2012 Mazda CX9. That's draining, let's get to work. If you're wondering why we're replacing the radiator, as you can see, it's starting to crack along the upper part of the radiator. Even just touching this hose, it just fell right off. And shout out to this customer. He's already brought his vehicle in 3 times, gotten over $2,000 worth of work done with us, and I just want to say thank you to you. See this? Wiring harness held out of the way. We can start taking off the upper radiator hose, fan module connectors. With our fan module disconnected, we have to remove this cooler line from the fan shroud, and we also have to remove the lower radiator hose from the fan shroud as well. All right. And with the radiator out, this is what it looks like. Time to throw the new radiator back in. All right, and we just do reverse what we just did. My knees are thanking me. You ready for this? Oh, look at that. Now we just have to bleed the cooling system, so we're gonna put the heater on high, fan on high. While the vehicle's warming up, we're gonna make sure there's no leaks. Make sure the fans are working properly, which they are.